In this video, you're about to learn one of the simplest ways to make money online, and today I want to show you this website where you can earn $10 for every 2 minutes of your work. This is absolutely free and available worldwide. But before we get into it, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification button as well, and leave us a comment down below. We reply to all of your comments, and now let's get into the video. First of all, I want you to go to this website, which is g2.com. So right here on this website, they have different categories of software. As you can see, people are giving ratings for all of these softwares. Let's see, for example, 0 star, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and so on and so forth. So by giving simple ratings on this website, you can actually get paid over and over again. And do not worry, it's actually much easier and much simpler than what you think. But here is a warning. Make sure to pay close attention because I want to show you a few real-life examples on exactly how to do this. I want you to scroll down below on this website and you're gonna look for this one right here, which is using software. And basically, you're gonna write a review and give a rating. Just go ahead and click on this button right here. And that's going to take you to this page. And as you can see here, there are a series of steps that you have to follow. Step number 1, you're going to select a software or a product to give ratings. And step number 2, you basically have to leave a very simple review. And step number 3, you have to share it. And there you go, as simple as that. You can make $10 or even up to $20 over and over again just by doing what I showed you. So real quick, let me show you everything starting now. The first step is to actually have to find and choose a product which you want to give a rating to. And as you can see here, there are different categories of software that you can do this for. For example, we have sales, marketing, design, e-commerce, and so on. Right now, I want to show you a real-life example. So let's say if you're going to review a product in the information technology category, which is IT, all you gotta do is just click on this button right here. And that's going to take you to this page where you can find different softwares. So from there, when you scroll down below, you can see there are so many different softwares and different products. You can simply give ratings and make money. And as you can see here, there are plenty of options on this website, and the earning opportunity is unlimited. You can definitely do this in less than 5 minutes. You can do this as much as you want. And now for the purpose of this video, I'll give you an example of using Google Drive, because I believe a lot of you guys have actually heard of Google Drive before. So right now what I want you to do is just to go ahead and select the product by clicking on this box right here. And you can see here at the bottom, you have selected one product. So right here, you can actually choose from multiple products. For example, you want to give ratings on Dropbox as well. You can just click on this, and as you can see here at the bottom, you just selected 2 products. So once you've selected Google Drive, I want you to go ahead and click on the blue button right here to continue. So moving on to step number 2, this is actually super important, so please pay attention to what I'm gonna say right now. As you can see here, you have to write a short review on one of the products that you use. And right here, we actually selected it on Google Drive. So just go ahead and click on this blue button right here to start giving a rating. Now, before we get started, you actually have to log in or create a free account on G2. And once you create a free account, you can actually give a rating on the software and start making money. For my case, I've already made an account prior to making this video, so I already logged in the website. So after making an account and logging in, you can start giving ratings to the software. And the rating goes from 0 to 10. 10 being you are very likely going to recommend the software to other people. In this case, I actually love Google Drive a lot, so I'm just going to give it a rating of 10 right away, which is very likely. Moving on to the next step is choosing a title for your review. So right on this box, you can actually type something to express your opinion and your experience of using Google Drive software. But I want to give you guys a bonus tip to help you start making money. Right there, as you can see here, this is the Google Drive software that a lot of people are giving reviews on and giving them a lot of ratings. There are over thousands of reviews provided by other people from different countries in the world. So right here, when you scroll down below, you can find more information about Google Drive. But the most important thing is that you can actually get so many ideas on how other people are actually writing review. So take a look at this. Some people give some ratings and they actually shoot some simple videos to express their opinions. We're not going to be doing that. We're just going to be writing reviews. So by looking at their example, you can have ideas on how to write your own review from there. And you also can find some written reviews provided by other people. And this right here is the title of the review. This is the rating provided by the person, and this is the description that they say the review is about, whether they like or dislike Google Drive. So by going through all of these reviews provided by other people, you can get so many ideas and inspirations, and you can actually refer to those and use them in a similar way on g2.com. And you can actually do the same exact thing that these people are doing, because people nowadays don't just leave reviews for no reason. Most of these people are getting paid for the reviews. So in this case, because I actually like Google Drive, I will give it a very high rating, and I'm going to give a title, for example, best for sharing files online. So right now, moving on to the next question, you're going to finish answering all of them in order to receive your money. So as you can see here, what do you like about Google Drive and what do you dislike? This is actually pretty simple because you only have to write 40 characters or 40 words for what you like about them and what you dislike about. So like you can see, when I scroll down below, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of other people giving ratings on Google Drive, and they give them a simple review and they're able to make a lot of money from different countries around the world. So don't worry about your review being very technical or anything like that, because this is actually much easier than you think. You just gotta make up a review, try to make it sound good, try to sound satisfied about the product, and just write anything that comes up to your mind and give it a good review. And that's gonna cost you nothing to make. It's absolutely free and it will not take you that much time to do. And on top of that, you're gonna make money while doing it. This is very short, very simple. And also, one bonus tip is when it says, what do you dislike about Google Drive? Don't be a generic person and say nothing, this software is perfect, because no software is perfect. Try to actually give constructive criticism. For example, you can type something like, I like Google Drive, but it could have done a better job at helping organize the files or stuff like that. Try to find something that people wrote and try to replicate it in your own words. And once you have done giving the ratings and writing a simple review about the software, let's go down below and you can actually have to agree on the statement above. Just you have to click on this box right here. So this is where you certify that this review is based on your own experience and it is your own genuine opinion of this software. Finally, as you can see here, complete all of the questions above to see your grid and you submit your review. So right now you can just click on the submit button, as simple as that. So once again, you can just go back to your homepage, find different other categories or softwares, and you can write a simple review on them and give simple ratings. And you can just go ahead and choose from hundreds and hundreds of different softwares. And by doing that, you are able to make $10 or even up to $20 over and over again without having any previous experience and in less than 5 minutes. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.